How to withdraw money from Candy Crush Saga. I'm going to tell you the truth about withdrawing money from Candy Crush Saga. The game itself does not pay real money, and there is no official way to cash out earnings. The in game gold bars and boosters you collect are only for gameplay, not real currency. If you see ads or apps promising that you can withdraw money from Candy Crush Saga, those are scams. The only real money transactions are when you buy gold bars or boosters using your own payment method. So if your goal is to actually earn or withdraw money, Candy Crush Saga won't do that for you. It's purely entertainment. Always be careful with third party sites claiming cash outs because they're not legitimate and could risk your account or personal info.